Additions? Today we're answering a question we hear all the time from homeowners. Should I add a second story to my house or expand outward into my yard? Let's dive right in.
Let's start with second story additions, aka building up. A second story addition means we're going vertical, usually adding bathrooms or even a full primary suite on top of the existing home.
It's a great option if you don't want to lose backyard space, your home's footprint is maxed out, or you're in a tight lot area in areas like Port Washington, Manhasset, or Seacliff. You're probably wondering, what is the average cost on Long Island to add a second floor or go up on your home? A second story addition here on Long Island typically costs anywhere between $300 and $400 per square foot on average.
Now, let's talk expanding out. Expanding your footprint means building out, not up. This could mean a kitchen bump out, a family room addition, or even a whole new wing on your first floor.
This can be simpler in some ways. You avoid major roof removal and often can even stay in the house during construction. But you'll need the room in your yard. You will pour a new foundation. And in some towns and villages here on Long Island, setbacks and lot coverage limits could be an issue. Here on Long Island, the average cost to do a first floor expansion is typically anywhere between $275 per square foot and $375 per square foot. Now let's get into cost, logistics, and what to consider.
So cost-wise, they tend to be in the same ballpark. But second stories tend to be a little bit more complex and slightly more expensive, especially when you factor in the following: structural reinforcements, temporary housing relocation, and reworking of mechanicals like HVAC, plumbing, and electric. Also, your stairs.
On the other hand, expanding out requires more site work, like excavation or a new foundation, and you want to consider because it may also eat into your outdoor space. So now how do you decide which is right for you?
If your lot is tight and your family needs more space upstairs, go vertical. But if you've got the yard space and you're looking for a more open concept on your main level, consider going outward.
Either way, it's all about your goals, your home, and your budget.
Still deciding? That's where we come in. We can walk the property and help figure out what makes the most sense for you structurally, legally, and of course, financially.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.